Okay, I'm going to move on to asking you something fun, okay? Because everyone is bored with the same questions and answers and everything going on in a mundane, pace. So I'm going to ask you something from a segment that's called Bubble Secrets, but don't worry, it's not going to trouble you at all. My first one is,
Okay.
have you ever stolen things from a hotel room? And if yes, then what?
100%, yes. So many times. मतलब और ये नहीं, ये टॉयलेटरीज नहीं.
So,
मैंने शू टंग, वो जो स्टिक होती है ना जो जूते के पीछे ऐसे लगाते हैं एड़ी में, that I've stolen. I've stolen bathrobes. I've stolen hangers that I really find interesting. I've stolen in some hotel rooms. There are these sprays, mist sprays that actually you can spray them on your pillows and they put you off to sleep very well. Those calming sprays. मैंने वो भी चोरी किए हुए हैं कितनी बारी. एंड या मतलब महंगा महंगा सामान नहीं, मुझे छोटी छोटी चीजें बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग लगती है यार. ये हैंगर होटल वालों के पास हमेशा अच्छा होता है, ये चाहिए मुझे. आई एम नॉट एबल टू फाइंड इट एनीवेयर. कि कौन
Yeah.
मेहनत करेगा ढूंढने में, तो दिस हैंगर आई नीड. सो या दीस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स, not majorly big stuff.
Interesting. Okay, tell me, have you ever faked a birthday for free food or cake?
Somebody else's, definitely, yes. Not my own. So there was this one restaurant, I don't remember the name but I remember the setting. गोल टेबल थी और हम लोग सब बैठे हुए थे, छोटी सी गोल टेबल थी. We were about 4 or 5 people and I just faked my friend's birthday just to get people to come there and sing happy birthday. The entire team at the restaurant, they sing happy birthday for the people. वो टेबल पे चढ़ के गाते हैं actually. And I wanted to embarrass my brother. So I really did this for him, and by the end of it, you get a cake and a brownie fudge kind of a treat. So yeah, for that I did all of this.
I wish you knew the name of the place. I would have gone there and done that too.
नहीं, बट मैंने जितना डिस्क्राइब कर दिया ना, देयर इज ओनली 1 or 2 प्लेसेस जो एक्चुअली ऐसे करते हैं कि वो टेबल पे चढ़ के कंग्रेचुलेट करते हैं एंड दे डू अ सर्टेन डांस. मुझे सीरियसली नाम नहीं याद आ रहा. आई कैन
Google will
सी
help
द
me.
यूनिफॉर्म एज वेल.
Google will
I
help
can
me.
see the uniform as well, but I don't remember the name. I can visualize it very well. I'm in that setting in my mind, but I don't remember the name, unfortunately.
Okay, tell me this one. I think most of teenagers have done that. Have you ever done prank or blank calls to people randomly?
बहुत बार यार. When I was in my 5th standard, I had a crush on a girl who was in the 4th standard. So मुझे उसका नंबर कहीं से मिल गया. मैं बड़ी blank calls मारी उसके घर में. From 5th to 6th to 7th to 8th standard, 4 साल तक मैंने non-stop blank calls मारी उसके घर.
You wouldn't say anything. जैसे ही खाली blank calls.
Nothing at all. Nothing at all, yeah. सिर्फ उठाओ, घर वाले गाली देंगे, रख दो. 4 बारी में से 1 बारी तो उठाएगी. और बच्चे यार, वो 3rd क्लास में पढ़ती है, मैं 4th में नहीं. हाँ, वो 4th में थी, मैं 5th में था. तो कितनी बारी 4th के बच्चे फोन उठाते हैं घर पे. घर वाले ही उठाएंगे ना फोन. तो कितनी 10 में से 1 बारी वो फोन उठाएगी. मैं वो ये आवाज सुन के आई एम लाइक, अपने सपने में मैं खुश. That used to happen a lot.
I can just imagine a 5-year-old pulkit doing that.
Yeah, I've done that, yeah. Seriously, crazy it is.
Okay, tell me, have you ever sneaked out of the house when your parents were sleeping?
No, that I've never done. Seriously.
That not.
I've never bunked my classes. I've never, sneaked out of the house when my parents are sleeping. I have, in fact, stayed back in the house and, been on the phone all night long, रजाई के अंदर छुप कर. लेकिन कभी ऐसे sneak out नहीं किया.
Sneak
Never.
out. Have you ever licked the food plate after having your favorite khana?
100%. जब राजमा चावल हैं, वो जिस बर्तन में सर्व करते हैं, उसका लास्ट का मैंने कितनी बारी चाटा हुआ है यार. It's my favorite food.
Okay, one, this is deep. Let me see if you answer it. Have you ever started anything that you couldn't finish and regretted later?
Regretted later तो नहीं है. मतलब I would love to finish it or maybe do more research over it. I used to do a lot of magic, street magic, illusions and all that stuff. I was very fond of magic and I still am very fond of magic. That is something that I started and I was planning to do a show on it. And we also had the producers and the channel on board. But unfortunately or fortunately, whatever we can call that situation, I got my first break in QK right at the time when I was about to launch with that show. and going to the streets and just randomly getting hold of people and showing them my tricks, which would include mind reading, which would include levitation, um, card tricks and illusions and all that stuff. तो वो उस टाइम पे फिर then I started focusing on QK. Then after QK, my musical happened with Love We Merchant, and then Big Boss happened. Then obviously I just got caught up with work, and till date, I actually once or twice I thought during the lockdown that I should get back to magic again since I have so much time in my hands, but there were too many things pending here. I had piano in my house since the last 7 years, and I've never played it. So I started learning piano during the lockdown, and that is something that I'm going to follow for sure, and I'm loving it.
Well, talking of magic, I don't think you ever stop because you're still creating that on screens, though. You still are.
Oh, how sweet! Yeah. I'm
Okay,
blushing. Can you see the
last.
pink on my cheeks?
Okay, last. Have you ever made fake accounts on social media to stalk people?
Yes. I in fact have a fake account even now. I have one more account on social media, which I used to, just keep an eye on people, just stalk people. That जिनको ये नहीं लगे कि मैं उनको फॉलो कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन खबर सारी है. So like that, yes. क्योंकि आप स्टोरी पे जाते हो ना, तो स्टोरी पे आपका नाम आ जाता है, करेक्ट? तो स्टोरी में दूसरे अकाउंट से चेक करता हूँ हमेशा.
सही है ये आइडिया अच्छा है. I'm gonna take that one too. But
I
I'm
do
gonna
that
say
only.
that thank you for answering everything sportingly and saying the truth for everything. Lastly, I'm just gonna ask you one question. Nothing to make it really heavy, but we've all gone through a very hard time for 8 months, 8 long months, and there have been a lot of ups and downs on different topics. So finally, that we're out and working and grinding, what is it that you want to say to everybody, and what is it that you kind of learned in these months?
Yeah, one thing that I think every human being must have learned, that life is too short and unpredictable. आपको सीरियसली नहीं पता था कि एक दिन आप प्लान बना रहे हो कि हम कल घूमने चलेंगे और अगले दिन सारी फ्लाइट्स भी बंद हो गई, पूरी दुनिया थम गई और आप चार दीवारी के अंदर
Natural.
बंद है. And that too, wherever the F in the world you are still locked up. Okay, 5 for the sake of your own life, for the sake of the life of your loved ones, and that just taught me that life is very unpredictable. यार, जो आपका प्लान है आज का, करो अभी के अभी. Just be spontaneous and start having fun in life right in that moment. हम सोचते हैं यार, लॉकडाउन में we have all been away from our families. So why? Because कितने टाइम से ये हो रहा था, अच्छा चलो इसका प्रमोशन हो जाएगा तो घर आएंगे, उसका प्रमोशन हो जाएगा या शूट हो जाएगा तो घर आएंगे, बीच में 2 दिन फ्री मिले यार, 2 दिन के लिए जाके फिर वापस आने का क्या पॉइंट बनता है. आज उस 2 दिन की भी मेहनत समझ में अहमियत समझ में आती है कि चाहे एक दिन जाने का मौका मिले, चाहे सुबह जाओ रात को वापस आ जाओ काम पे वापस, बट आई वांट टू डू दैट, and I'm going to be much more spontaneous with the way I would enjoy life now, and live life to the fullest. That's the most important thing, and just be empathetic towards others. Now everybody is going through stuff. तो किसी ने आप पे चिल्ला भी दिया, कुछ बोल भी दिया, ठीक है, it's okay. Don't take it to yourself. Don't take it to your heart. Just apply empathy. That is very important. To put yourself in other person's shoes. The person might be wrong at that point.
Yeah.
The person might be wrong, but there might also be a few reasons that that person has reached to this point, to that breakdown point. So that's okay. At that point, just try to understand the situation and be calm, be empathetic. बाद में समझा लो यार, ये जो तूने बात करी थी गलत करी थी. I didn't say it during that time because obviously फिर तू भी हाइपर हो जाएगा, मैं भी हाइपर हो जाऊंगा. What's the point?
I
So
hope
we are,
everyone
yeah,
thinks the way you do.
philosophical,
I said I hope everyone
I
thinks
hope
the
so
way
too,
you
यार.
do.
And I hope everybody continues to take precautions. यार, लॉकडाउन हटा है, वायरस तो वही है.
वही है. I swear.
Correct.
So
So
yeah.
yeah, people should wear masks. People should maintain the samajik duri, social distance. They should keep they should continue to maintain the hand hygiene. मतलब imagine दुनिया में लोगों को हाथ कैसे धोते हैं वो सिखाना पड़ा हमें टाइम पे. करेक्ट, कि हाथ ऐसे धोना है, 15 सेकंड के लिए धोना है और ये
Wasn't
करना
it
है, ये
obvious कि
करना
ये
है,
चीजें रोज
ऐसे
करनी
करना
चाहिए?
है.
Tell me that first.
That's what I'm saying. That's the point, ना. That's the point. So I hope that people have actually inculcated these habits and made them a part of their life, and we understand from here on that we need to maintain a balance in the nature. Yeah, it's we are just eating up everything. We are finishing everything. We are in fact spoiling that is there. And still, there are so many countries in the world who refuse to accept the fact that there is climate change happening. And it's a very sad scenario. So I just hope that we lead this world to a better generation, and a better world for the coming generation as well.
So, like they say, things change in no time. I hope the next time we meet, things around is a better place. The
Yeah,
world is a
I
better
hope so.
place.
It's not like this virtually. I hope we'll be meeting personally, sitting across the table. एक चाय का कप पड़ा होगा, एक कॉफी का कप पड़ा होगा बीच में. बाद में आके हमारे जो पीआर टीम है वो आपको बार बार बोलती रहेंगी जस्ट लास्ट क्वेश्चन लास्ट
Oh,
क्वेश्चन. वो
coffee
होना
cup
चाहिए,
में
वो सामने
कभी
दिखना
coffee
चाहिए
होती नहीं है.
उसको. That is also true. ये लेकिन सबको थोड़ी बताना था यार.
That's there. So,
मैं तो सिर्फ ऐसे लेके बैठता हूँ बस. ठीक है.
So, I'm just so happy that, at least we could connect. At least we have this medium to connect and, spread the word. I'd like to say all the best for Tesh. All the best for Tesh.
Thank you so much.
And hoping to see you soon.
And I just hope you like the film and the series as well. What are you going to watch first?
I think I'll go for the film first because jaldi nipat jayenge, and then the series
Okay.
around se.
Lovely. Lovely.
I'm going to
That's great.
definitely
That's how I am
watch
also
it.
going to approach it. Great. Please do let us know how
Yes.
what you feel about it. Tried something different to do for the first time. I would like
Totally.
a personal feedback.
Totally
Thank you so
watching
much.
it and totally going to review it and post it and tag you as well.
Thank you so much. Have a
Thank you
great evening
thank
and
you for
wish you a
joining.
great Diwali. Say no to crackers and be safe.
Wish you the same. Bye.
Thank you.